It's coronavirus today, 542. Still phase 3. Day 52. And today's cases are a bit lower than yesterday's, with 811. Okay. And this time they actually showed like what region they're affected. So 156 cases are from Toronto, 100 from PH3 region, 71 from Hamilton, 68 from Windsor-Essex region, 59 from York region, 52 from Ottawa, 46 from Durham region, and 42 from Niagara region. So yeah. So a couple other regions are back on the list, like Niagara, Ottawa. So all other regions are reported under 40. 3 deaths have been reported. So two out of the 3 is from 2 months ago. Just due to technical difficulties. So yeah. So no variant reports today either since September 3rd, though. Yeah. So yeah, vaccine bookings and phase 3 and 4 rules down below. Pretty standard, you should know by now. So this has to do with sort of like the schools in Ontario, and this has to affects teachers unvaccinated. So apparently, unvaccinated Ontario teachers must submit to bi-weekly coronavirus testing. Though Ontario public school teachers who chose not to receive or are medically exempt from coronavirus vaccination will have to submit to rapid testing at least twice a week and will have to go to a nearby pharmacy to do so for the first 2 weeks of school. So, Deputy Education Minister Nancy Naylor said individuals subject to testing requirements must provide verification of negative test results at least 2 times per week, and an added measure to protect schools from the risk of coronavirus. So they first reported this on Toronto Star, and for the first 2 weeks of school until September 20th, most of the schools and board offices will not have yet have access to their coronavirus testing kits that they are giving out to schools. And this is voluntary, so they're not making it mandatory, but though they're literally giving out to students and staff who so you can like literally do your own coronavirus testing at home, like, or someone can give assistance and do the testing for you. So this will involve temporary free access to free coronavirus testing in the pharmacy setting for those individuals subjected it. those who are like did not were who aren't fully vaccinated and didn't so Nancy Naylor she said the province is also working on a smartphone app so teachers can quickly upload test results to school boards so they can they don't have to literally go and do it. So once they test themselves, if the result is negative, they can just positive that they can upload that. And the smartphone app actually so on September 22nd, starting then, you'll need a vaccine certificate proving that you have been fully vaccinated. Or you can use your vaccine receipts you got for each vaccine you received, your first and second vaccine. And on the vaccine certificate, it will show your name and your vaccine status, fully vaccinated, partially or not. Yeah. And you'll need this for if you're going to enter like places like restaurants, bars, movie theaters, casinos and gambling places, strip clubs, or places like they would do horse racing, or and a whole bunch of other like also fitness, exercise, except excluding the children's recreational and also concerts, and places where there's going to be a lot of people seated together. And September, and 1 month later, on October 22nd, you can get access to the app where you can get a QR code that shows your name and vaccine status. It's similar to the one that already exists through the PDF form. And just remember, if you present fake vaccine certificates or one that does not belong to you, you will be charged $750, and businesses and places that they're supposed to check, if they do not check, they will get charged up to $1,000. Hospitalizations. So 266 people are hospitalized with coronavirus. 179 ICU patients plus 7, and 155 ICU patients using a ventilator. So a big jump back to the hundreds since yesterday's number. No long-term care home deaths since September 3rd too. So and nothing had results have not changed this September 1st though. And please follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and phase 3 rules. Just be careful due to the India variant and due to wave 4. And please do not bully doctors or anyone over a topic coronavirus related. Because apparently that's a problem that anti-vaxxer protesters have been causing, and they need to stop. So stay safe. Get vaccinated if you want. Although some vaccination centers are closing since the last week of August, so yeah. Good luck finding the nearest one if you are. Stay safe.